What are permutations, you asked? Okay, let's get started. What in the world are permutations? Permutations are what we use when we want to find the number of ways we can choose a sample of R elements from a set of n distinct objects, where order does matter and the replacements are not allowed. Take note here on the right side here, the formula of the permutation formula. N permutation R is equivalent to n factorial over n minus R factorial. Also take note that when n is equivalent to r, this also reduces to n factorial, a simple factorial of n. Now, you asked me, what are factorials? Factorials for dummies. For those who don't know, it is denoted by an exclamation point and it is the product of an integer and all the integers below it. For example, 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And you may also notice that under the factorial of 5, we can find that there are factorials of 4, 3, 2, and 1. When a factorial is being divided by a factorial, we can use it to our advantage, like in the following example. 5 permutation 2, which is equivalent to 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial, which is equivalent to 5 factorial over 3 factorial, which is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, divided by 3 times 2 times 1, which is equivalent to 5 times 4. How did we get 5 times 4? We simply cancel the 3 times 2 times 1, and then voila. Okay, next. Next is an example. How many ways can 5 books be arranged on a shelf with 5 spots? Okay, when the first of the 5 books are placed, there are 5 possibilities, and then 4 possibilities are left after the first books are placed because there are 4 books left. Placing another book again, 3 possibilities are left, 3 books are left. Again and again until no books and no possibilities are left. Which this question, 5 books arranged on a shelf with 5 spots. This is simply equivalent to 5 permutation 5 or 5 factorial, which is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equivalent to 120. Okay, next is an exercise. Practice exercises. There are 5 people, 3 of whom are boys, 2 of whom are girls. In how many ways can these 5 people be arranged if they were to form a 5-person line with the following additional restrictions? A. No other restrictions are added. B. We form a 3-person line. C. The 2 girls must be together. The 2 girls here must be together. Okay, let's start with A first. Okay. A. No other restrictions are added. Um, Take note, 5 people. We want to find how many possibilities are there when how many ways we can arrange these 5 people in a 5-person line. The answer here is simply 5 permutation 5. 5 people in a 5-person line. Remember 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equivalent to 120. Good job, good job. Okay, next for number B, I mean. Okay. B, we form a 3-person line instead of the 5-person line. Okay, here the answer is simply 5 permutation 3. There are 5 people in total. We are taking 3 people from the 5 people. There are 5 people in total. Also take note that here we are choosing 3 people to make a line out of the 5 people, which is equivalent to 5 permutation 3, which is equivalent to 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, which is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3, which is equivalent to 60. Take note that here I just canceled the 5 factorial with the 2 factorial, which is the 2 times 1. I just canceled those out because of the 2 factorial. That will be the outcome here at 5 minus 3, which is 2 factorial. Okay, next to C. Good job. C. The 2 girls must be together. Okay, there are 5 people, 3 of them are boys, 2 of them are girls. The 2 girls must be together. The answer here is simply 4 factorial times 2 factorial. Do you know why? It's like I remember my super awesome math teacher in the 10th grade taught me this lesson. The 4 factorial in 4 factorial 2 factorial represents group A here, group A over here. Group A has 4 elements. Um, yeah, 4 elements. Um, because of the 3 boys and the 1 subgroup girls with 2 girls that are together. The 2 girls need to be together. That's the condition. With the 2 factorial representing the 2 girls, since they can be interchanged with one another to adding to the possibilities. Yeah. Okay. Do you get it? Good. Okay. Very nice. Every end is just a new beginning, and this is the end of this video. This is the end of the video. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.